this is Tiffany with the Bloomery, and last week I showed you all how I was trimming back a hanging basket, and I trimmed it back pretty hard and told you that I would update you every week about its progress. And so this is the basket that we trimmed back, and it was full of Proven Winner Supertunias. And I want to take time to show you, we're exactly a week out. I want to show you the new growth that's starting to come out. So if you will look with me, you can see all these new blooms. Look how many blooms are filling in and going to be popping out and opening soon. It goes all the way around the plant, and you can just see there's tons of new growth, tons of new blooms coming. So be sure you follow along as I keep updating you on this. I did not trim this side of the hanging basket back quite as hard, and you can kind of see the difference. There is some new growth where I snipped around, but I really wanted to show you the new growth from where we did cut back all the blooms and just kind of started fresh. So follow along. We'll keep you updated as the blooms start to open and let you see how full and compact this plant will be.